This is the Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So, if we will launch the settings, enter the display category and expand the available options for the screen timeout, we'll clearly discover that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is only 10 minutes. Thus, if you would like to be able to set this value to never, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. After that, at the search bar, type in caffeine, exactly like so. Once the needed app is found, open its page and then click on this green install button and simply wait until the caffeine application will get downloaded and installed. After that, launch the app and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will effectively mean that as long as the caffeine app is active and running in the background, so do not close it, leave it over here, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.